How to post then and now pictures on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, let's go to the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, all you have to do is tap on your profile at the top right, then tap on the memories option over here. Now scroll down and you can find different layouts for your memories. We want then and now pictures on Facebook, so we're going to select that particular layout. So you can add your older photo over here and your recent photo over here. So you just have to tap on that add older photo and you can add from your albums or a Facebook itself, or you can also add from your device. So I'm going to add from device over here and I'm going to tap on one photo and tap next. After that, tap on next again and now tap on the add recent photo. I'm going to add from device again and then tap on next, then tap on next again, and here we have then and now pictures. Now we just have to tap on next and we can write any captions that we want over here if you want. If you don't want, then it's okay. Then after that, all you have to do is just tap on post and you will be able to post then and now pictures on Facebook. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.